I can see this is a downtrend, and MACD gave me a confirmation that this is a downtrend on 1 minute time frame. Also, the moving average confirm it for me that it is a downtrend. So I know I'm going to actually trade with the trend. So that is why I place this trend, and I'm not going to lie, I really love this entry. MACD was also about to cross normal. If I did not see MACD, I might not even like take the trade, because here is not really, it's not an engulf candle, because after this inverted hammer, and this is just like a weak candle, a weak candle, a weak candle. This is also a weak candle. If I want to place a trade on a normal day using the price action, I'm not going to place this type of trade. But the MACD actually gave me the go ahead to place um the trade. And also, you guys see my account was on zero. I'm doing demo, always practice on demo. It is when I just want to like trade, I use my live, but if I want to make a tutorial, I use demo. So you guys see, and also this to show that this trend is on downtrend. So this is on 1 minute time frame, and I'm going to take you to the 15 minutes time frame. Here is the 15 seconds time frame, and the previous one was 1 minute time frame. So here I can see the trend is also downtrend. The moving average tell me is like the trend is also is on downtrend. So to have the best entry, I waited for the buyer in order to raise the candle up, to raise the bar up back. Let us take this as an example. You guys see this is a like hangman, and we have like weak candle here. You can see this is a strong buy. This is a strong buy and followed by a strong sell also. So I waited for another like strong buy in order to give me the best entry. I would have entered the trade here, but to have a best and to give you like to add 10% confirmation to my entry. That is why I waited for the buy to come inside the market and raise the buy. And the moment I raised the buy, I placed the trade that is coming down. And after the candle, a weak candle come, then a strong sell candle come. And this is where I knew that no, this trade is going to like go as I predicted. Yeah, my entry is really late, and this is on 15, no, 1 minute time frame. So you guys see I entered very late. I should have entered around this edge, like when it crossed, but and I just followed the MACD, because the MACD is giving me a signal that the chart is going to cross. And yeah, you guys see, and I entered because the MACD gave me an approval to enter the trade. So when I enter the trade, I feel like there is a huge support and resistance here, because winning the trade is a really close gap before the market even like come down more. And here, the reason why I even entered the trade is that I see a very strong buy here, a very strong buy. You guys see, this is an engulf candle. After engulfing the buyers, and here also is a very strong candle. Okay, let's say strong, not very strong. Here is giving me a strong candle. So that is why I just feel like entering the trade, and the trade also came to my favor. So I won this trade. Here is another trade on Euro AUD OTC market. And you guys, the reason why I place this trade is that after I see this strong support and resistance, this is on the 15 seconds time frame, and I just saw the seller try to like move the market up here, the buyer, but the seller bring the market back here. So this is a shooting star. So when I see this shooting star, I also see this just like weak candle. And the moment I see the momentum in which this candle is coming down, is as a strong momentum. And also the MACD is also giving me signal that is about to cross. So that is the reason why I quickly place this trade, and it give me a like a clean and neat entry. So you see here the MACD is about to cross here, is about to cross here, but based on experience, I saw that no, the MACD is actually going to cross, and it already crosses the um moving average. So it shows that it's coming on a downtrend. So though this MACD here is showing that it's still on uptrend, but it has a way you guys are going to know. The moment you start practicing, you are going to understand that, yeah, if I take this trade, I'm going to win. So that is why I took this trade, and this is what I see on 15 minutes time frame. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. On 15 minutes time frame, you can see this shooting star. the moment I saw the shooting star on 1 minute time frame, and I see that the seller is actually going to put pressure on the buyer, and also the market on 1 minute time frame is showing that the market is on downtrend, but the 15 minutes is going to notify you earlier on the MACD with the settings I'm using. Check my previous video. The MACD is going to notify you earlier before the 1 minute time frame, so the 15 seconds time frame is going to give a fast entry. And you guys say I entered it, and you guys see the momentum in which the seller are taking the market, and this is on 1 minute time frame. You guys see in remaining 2 minutes, and you know in 2 seconds, no matter what the buyer want to do, cannot shoot up immediately to that point, at least with the momentum of this market, the momentum in which the down people or the seller people are like going. And also you guys see the MACD here is about to cross, so it has crossed in the 15 seconds time frame and is about to cross on 1 minute time frame. So also the next candle after this one is going on downtrend because it's about to cross on MACD also. Can clearly see on 1 minute time frame. You guys see when I actually see this RMA candle and I saw a weak candle. Also here once the down, let's say down or seller cross the moving and average, it gives me the signal that the trend is about to go on downtrend. Also the MACD is also telling me that the market is about to reverse and is going on downtrend, so that is the reason why I entered this trade. You guys see, and it actually give a smooth entry, and it's actually suit. You guys see in the next 5 seconds the trade is going to like end and I'm going to make my profit. You guys can see through the demo account, and that is how I place the trade. The MACD actually gave me like a plus 10 percentage chance to win the trade because the market is already crossing, and you guys see I entered perfectly, and this is on 1 minute candle frame. Now let's go to the 15 seconds candle frame. I can actually see this like doja, I can consider this to be a doja candle. And once you see a doja candle, you know that means that you don't know where the market is going there. You don't know, maybe the seller or the buyer is going to take control, so you just have to wait. But the moment I see the momentum in which the seller are putting pressure on the market, I actually can see that no, this thing is going down. And also the moving average tell me that is on downtrend, though the MACD also is like about to cross here. And when I screenshotted it, the page hasn't load finished. Sorry about that one. But I can see a strong resistance here. You guys see, I can see a very strong resistance here. And while coming down, they are coming down with full force. Here is a strong candle, a strong candle. Like there is seller try to push it to this point, but the buyer tried to push it to this point, but the seller actually brought it down. And bringing it down here, there is a huge fight between the buyer and the seller here. That is why they created data candle. And when they are going to form this, and you know, market is about to cross on 1 minute time frame, that is why I entered it. So immediately I entered it, it gave me a strong candle and also a very strong candle. You guys can see a little weak, or we can consider it to have no weak. So that is how I won this trade, and Maggie also assisted me in winning this trade. So that is actually like a 90% chance that if you are using Maggie and you actually know some one or two about price action, you are going to like have 60 to 70% chance of winning your trade.